Hey everyone, what I would like to do in this video is talk about people who only believe in Bitcoin. Call them Bitcoin enthusiasts, evangelists, maximalists, whatever you want to call them. You'll see them on social media saying that Bitcoin is king, and whenever any kind of negative story is there about a particular altcoin, they are first to pounce on it, and then they say it's a reminder why Bitcoin is the best. Now, I want to talk about whether these guys are right. As you guys know, I've mined altcoins this year and I continue to hold altcoins. Now, the way that I look at it, I think that altcoins are driving innovation in cryptocurrency in many ways, because they can explore different areas in cryptocurrency that perhaps Bitcoin can't, because it's, kind of fixed, and any change that is made with Bitcoin is quite significant simply because of its popularity, etc. I do believe that altcoins have a place. I do believe that over the next few years, we'll see the market cap of a lot of altcoins going up. And as I said, I do think it drives innovation. And even just from an investment point of view, Bitcoin is perhaps safer. I think it is, I think it's right to say that. But I think that if you're looking for a higher return, you'd really have to turn to an altcoin. If you're looking for 10 times return and all that, you're not going to get that from Bitcoin, certainly not in the short term. So, as you guys know, I'm not going to call myself an altcoin enthusiast, an altcoin maximalist, or anything like that. But I think it's important sometimes to take a step back and try and put yourself in the other person's shoes and see whether they are right. And just for me, I've been in cryptocurrency a year now, pretty much a year. I was in cryptocurrency a little bit when Bitcoin was under $1, but I was really just hanging out in the forums. I really wasn't doing anything. And over the last year, I've seen a lot of things happen. And if I look at the coins that I've invested in this year, I hate to admit it, but it kind of supports their argument. In the beginning, I made the mistake of mining and investing in Bitcoin private. I've saw coins like Vertical Coin where, I'd invested in a shared node, and, the developers just abandoned the project, just went, nah, we're not doing it anymore, and they just left. And I've seen the same thing happen with a lot of other altcoins as well. I know in a bull run, a lot of these coins do very well, but in a bear run, these things go all the way down. Now, I'm still strongly passionate about certain coins, the SafeCoin project. I like Horizon. I still like Ethereum, and I know there's a lot of new coins coming out as well that look pretty good as well. But it's hard not to see where they're coming from. I reckon the longer you've been in cryptocurrency, certainly if you look at the last 5 years, people who have been in cryptocurrency a long time, they have probably seen certain investments in particular altcoins pump up and then crash, pump up and then crash. Now, there has been certain coins that have done very well. Ethereum is probably the best example of that. But I suspect if you've been investing in Bitcoin for 5 or 6 years, you've probably seen altcoins come and go, come and go, come and go. And you've seen coins even like Litecoin, shoot up in price and then they go all the way back down. Again, we're in a bear market, so it's maybe a little bit unfair to talk about prices in this particular period of time in the year. But I can see where, some of these people are coming from. I don't agree with it. I do think that there's a lot of fantastic coins out there. I think there's a lot of fantastic projects out there. But I can understand, maybe not the people that are 100%, everything's invested in Bitcoin. But I can understand why people keep like 60% in Bitcoin, because it's a safer investment. Again, at this time of the year, it's probably the wrong time to say that, but I do understand why people are saying, keep the majority of your money in Bitcoin and then dabble in a couple of altcoins rather than put all your money in altcoins. I do think I can see where some of these people are coming from if you look at what's happened over the last few years. But I'd like to put it over to you guys. Let me know what you think. Are the Bitcoin evangelists, are they right? Do you think they should only invest in Bitcoin, only put a little bit of money in altcoins, keep the majority of your money in Bitcoin, 60%, 70%, whatever it may be? Do you think that altcoins are too risky? Or do you think that you have to take that risk in order to get a good return? I'd like to hear what you think about it. I'm still quite enthusiastic about a lot of different altcoin projects, and I do think they are driving innovation, but I'd love to hear your thoughts on it, guys. So please do leave a comment below, and I'll speak to you all very soon. Cheers.